NeuralRad 101, NeuralRad brain software? NeuralRad is a company that develops AI-powered stereotactic radiosurgery platform for brain tumors. It uses deep learning to segment, label, group, and track brain metastases, and to optimize the dose map and treatment plan. It also uses WebAssembly technology to render the images and models in the browser. Some tips for reading the scanned result from NeuralRad are: you can view the segmented and labeled brain metastases on the 2D or 3D view, and adjust the contrast, brightness, and opacity of the images. You can also zoom in and out, rotate, and pan the images. You can see the details of each brain metastasis, such as the volume, the location, the dose, and the change over time. You can also compare the images from different treatment courses and sessions. You can see the grouping of the brain metastases into different treatment sessions, based on the optimized dose map. You can also modify the grouping if you want to change the treatment plan. You can see the dose distribution and the isodose curves on the images, and check the dose statistics and constraints for each brain metastasis and organ at risk. You can also export the dose report as a PDF file. You can see the animation of the treatment delivery, and preview the beam angles, positions, and shapes. You can also export the treatment plan as a DICOM file. FYI, who's Cool Wolf being NeuralRad? Cool Wolf is the username of Hao Zhang, the CEO and founder of NeuralRad, a company that develops AI-powered stereotactic radiosurgery platform for brain tumors. He is also a programmer and a cancer survivor, who used his skills and experience to create NeuralRad as a way to help other patients and doctors. He has a PhD in computer science from MIT, and he has worked at Google, Microsoft, and Amazon before starting his own company. He is also a speaker and a writer, who has shared his story and his vision at various events and platforms. Now check out 1. NeuralRad.